Hi, this is Tim Blankenship, owner of SCV Legal Doc Assist. We're a licensed and bonded legal document preparation service specializing in divorce. We are bringing these videos to you courtesy of the Contra Costa Court website. These are PowerPoint presentations on how to complete all the various divorce forms. It is very difficult to locate, so I'm bringing these to my YouTube channel so you have access to understanding and completing the divorce process. If you decide to do your divorce on your own without assistance, you can get the direct access to the court's instructions on how to do so. This will be completing the divorce FL-100, the petition for marriage. This will be a 6-part video. So this will be part 1. There's lots of instruction. Again, this is PowerPoint presentation from the court, going over each and every box to complete. So without further ado, let's get started.
Hello. These are the instructions for how to fill out California Judicial Council Form FL-100. This is a PowerPoint presentation designed so that you are in complete control of when to start, when to stop, when to go back, when to skip forward, and so on. You can see directions for how to move around this PowerPoint on this page. You will need a copy of the English Language Judicial Council form in front of you as you go through these instructions. If you do not have the form yet, please get one now. This may start with a few slides with general information about this form, when to use it, when not to use it, terms you need to know, and so on. Then you will get to the line-by-line, box-by-box instructions. To get started, please click on the large arrow at the bottom of the page.
To start your divorce, legal separation, or annulment, you must fill out, file, and serve a petition, Form FL-100, on your spouse. You will also need other forms. If your spouse has already started a case and has served you with a petition, you must file a response, which is Form FL-120. This segment will teach you how to fill out the petition. If you need help filling out a response form FL-120, listen to that segment. If you are in a registered domestic partnership and you want a divorce, legal separation, or annulment, you need to use Form FL-103 for your petition. To respond to those cases in a domestic partnership, use Form FL-123 for your response. Watch the segments on those forms if you are ending a domestic partnership. Find out if you qualify for the simpler, easier summary dissolution process for getting a divorce. You can't get a legal separation or an annulment that way, but you can end a marriage that has lasted fewer than 5 years as long as you and your spouse do not have children together and you meet other requirements. Read the website section on summary dissolutions to find out more about these requirements and see if a summary dissolution is a good option for you. Before you keep going with these instructions, it is very important you understand the difference between a divorce, a legal separation, and an annulment so you can decide what you want to ask for. Review the page on this website titled, "What is the difference between divorce, legal separation, and annulment?" for more information. If you need help deciding, talk to a lawyer or your court's family law facilitator. A few things to keep in mind. The person who started this case is the petitioner and will be the petitioner throughout this entire case. The other person is the respondent and will always be the respondent in this case. Dissolution of marriage and divorce mean the same thing. An annullity is the same thing as an annulment. If you do not make a request in your petition, the judge will not be able to make any orders regarding that issue. It is very important that you fill out your form completely and correctly. If you don't understand a question or have any doubts about what something means, talk to a lawyer. Remember, you do not have to fill out this form all at one time. Use one copy of the form as a draft and fill in as much as you can at first. Then, gather any additional information you need about your finances, for example, and fill in that part. As you go through these instructions, make a note of anything you need help with, and then ask a lawyer. Your court's family law facilitator may also be able to help you. When you are ready, copy all of your information onto a clean form and use this one to file with the court.
Okay, this is Tim Blanchip, owner of SCV Legal Doc Assist. This concludes part 1 of how to complete the marriage petition FL-100. For more information, please give us a call or visit one of our websites. And of course, if you want to continue, please move on to part 2 to continue watching the slides to complete your forms.